Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In my this video tutorial, I will show you how you can fix the OTG issue in your device Oppo A74. So if in this device, if you are having any problem like your OTG is not working or not connecting, you can easily fix it by the methods I will show you in this video. Before we move to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the video till end and you will learn how you can fix the OTG issue in your device. Let's watch it.